How to call on WeChat. Hello and welcome to Tech TV. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can call on WeChat. For that, you'll have to open your WeChat application on your mobile device and make sure you have selected this chat section. Select a person you want to call. Once you reach the chat page of the person you want to call, at the bottom you will see some icons. At the right side, you will see plus button. Click on that plus button next to sticker icon and some options will pop up. Below you will see call options like video call or voice call. You can choose the one that you prefer. If you want to video call this person, you will have to click on this video call icon next to camera icon. And if you want to voice call to that person, click on this voice call icon next to video call. Choose the one that you prefer. After clicking on it, you will reach to this page. So in this way, you can call on WeChat. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.